Hi, this is Rob Warlow, the author of Loan Sharp, Get the Business Finance You Deserve. During my many conversations with business owners, when I ask them how do they categorise their relationship with the bank, they normally tend to say it's a bit brrr, it's a bit chilly, a bit frosty. Well, perhaps given the whole issue about access to finance and how difficult it is, perhaps that's not surprising. And it may be that you're in that situation as well, where you've got a chilly relationship with the bank. Perhaps they've said no to your request for additional finance, or perhaps they're bouncing your checks. Whatever it may be, you need to warm that relationship up. Now, I deal with many companies that are looking to strengthen or get back on track the relationship that they have with their banks, and I tend to follow 3 steps, and I call it bringing in the CIA. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, it's quite simple. I've got a 3-step process that I follow. So, what is this CIA thing? What's it all about? Well, the first thing, first of all, that I always look at is the C, which stands for communication. Now, communication is so important. In any relationship, I think you'll agree with me that it's all about communication and talking. Because here's the important thing if you've got a frosty relationship with the bank, the moment you go silent, the bank tends to make up its own mind about what's going on within your business. So silence really is deadly when you've got a problem with the bank. So the first step is regular communication. Keep in touch with them on the phone, keep in touch with them by letter, email, whatever it may be. Keep them in the loop. So the next step then is still wrapped around communication is, of course, the information that you provide them. So information. So what information can you provide? Well, it's all about, again, keeping them comfortable. So it's about keeping them up to date on trading, what your sales are doing, how you're doing against the projections that you may have given them, supplying them with regular management figures, making sure that when your audited accounts are out, that the bank has a copy straight away. So make sure you provide them with all the necessary information. Because here's the thing, decision making, it's all based around information. So if the banks don't have the information, well, they're likely to come to the wrong decision. So make sure you supply them with everything. And the last quick step is fairly simple. It's all about action, taking action. You can agree a lot of things up here, but if you go away from the meetings or the telephone calls and do nothing with what's been discussed, then that's just as bad as not communicating at all. So the action could be just following up on the things that were agreed. Or it could be as simple as you realize this relationship is going nowhere fast. And the action for you, find alternative bankers or find just a general alternative source of finance. So there we are, 3 quick steps that you can follow to get a chilly relationship into a warmer relationship. Communication, information, and action. I hope you found that useful. If you want more tips about dealing with banks and raising finance, don't forget to get a copy of my book, Loan Sharp, Get the Business Finance You Deserve, available on Amazon and all other good bookstores. And to receive regular notifications of when I add new videos to this channel, just click on the subscribe button and you'll get everything when I add new videos. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that useful. Speak to you again very soon.